Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to look at how you can assess the value of a particular NFT. What is value? Look at your mobile phone, for example. How much do you think it is worth? Have an amount in your head, then ask your friend that same question, how much he thinks your mobile phone is worth. You will notice that no two people will have the same value of a particular object. So I might look at something valuable because of how I feel about it. Another person will have his own value or a figure in his mind depending on how he feel about that particular object. It applies to many things in the world, including NFT. If you look at Binance NFT marketplace, you will notice that a lot of items, but how actually are its value determined? In this video, that is what we will be discussing. If you are new to the channel, a sub and a like will be fantastic. I want you to take a look at the number of subscribers I have. I know you can make a change, so click on the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. How to assess the value of NFT? This is actually a text given by Binance itself, and I want us to pay attention to these details. So as it says here, that there are three factors to be considered when evaluating the value of NFT. They are the rarity, utility, and tangibility. So let's go into Binance NFT and we are going to explain that to you. First, it mentioned rarity. As you can see, look at this NFT, for example. It is on sale for about, I believe this 4 hours. It's on sale for this long amount of time, and look at it, what 123 BUSD. That is it worth. Now look at this same NFT and it's worth 0.1, far less than that. Now look at this one, almost the same with this other one. Have you seen why this one is 0.1 BNB? This one is about 7.5 BNB or BUSD. Good. So although they are the same assets, the same picture, although they are the same, as you can see it, let me bring the zoom down so that you can see it clearly. Although they are the same, but they hold different values. As you can see between the two, this one is more expensive than this one, but they are clearly the same thing, as you can see. So when buying NFT on Binance, you need to pay attention to its worth. You need to have a worth in your mind, because anybody going into the NFT market is going there to make profit. So if you notice you won't be able to make profit for a particular item, then it's unwise for you to buy such an item. Let's go into spot, for example, so that we see that many NFTs today are not really valuable. As you can see, is there any difference between this and this? The answer is no. We'll look at how much they are worth. Why this one is 123 BUSD, this one is just 9. So instead of me to buy this one, I might get this one. So whoever had bought this one now is getting at a very high value, whereas I can get the same thing at even a cheaper value down here. So that's what Binance are clearly mentioning here, that the value of an NFT determines how rare it is. Binance also said that there are ways they grade how rare an NFT is. They have the normal NFT, which you can see more often, the rare NFT, the ones which are difficult to find. For example, in the premium, or let's go to art. In the arts portion, you can get rare NFT, the NFTs that you might see just one of these. If you scroll down, you will not see anything that looks like that again. So those are rare NFT. You also have the super rare NFT and super rare NFT. So the higher the rank, the more valuable such NFT is. It also mentioned that the value of NFT is also determined by how long or how short you have been holding the NFT. So if you have hold an NFT, for example, if I have a super rare NFT like this or a rare NFT and I hold it for a period of 6 months, its value at 6 months is very different from its value when it is over 2 to 3 years. So if I'm selling it at a rate of 150 after 6 months, I can sell it at the rate of 2000 and above after a period of 1 year or 2 years. So that's all about value. Values are all about perception. And if you have NFTs, for example, and you intend selling it, the description is where you can market your NFT. The description, many people do not pay attention to how their NFTs are being described. Many people do not pay attention to how the NFT is described. As you can see, this NFT did not even have description. That's why nobody's taking it seriously and nobody's placing a bid on that NFT. Most NFT comes with a beautiful description whereby you can read about the author and know how he came up with that idea and what he did. For example, this one, it has a brief description. So in the description, you can include how long this NFT has been, how you created it, and how you think this NFT will impact. So you can do something like that, and it will make it even more valuable. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, even if there's only one thing you value from it, it's like and a sub is going to be fantastic. So stay tuned. I'll be posting a video in the next coming days.